Hello everyone, I Basair Khan. Today I am going to talk about bullying leading to attempt to suicide. Make your anger so expensive that no one can afford it, and make your happiness so cheap that people can almost get it free. Now we need to understand how this bullying is one of the reasons to commit suicide. Before that, we need to understand what suicide is. Suicide is an act of killing yourself intentionally, and there are different other factors which are involved under this. One of the factors is your mental disorder or depression or your personality disorder. Now, depression is one of the main reasons to commit suicide in India. Now, before discussing what are the laws in India to govern and what are the reasons of bullying and how we can prevent it and different categories of bullying, I would like to highlight some of the statistical data which is quite an alarming one and which makes us discuss today about what are the reasons and the laws to commit suicide. Now, one of the report of 2015 and 16 which states that 20% of Indians suffer depression, and also one of the report of 2012 where around 3 lakh people died due to it under the age group of 19 to 49. Now, what bullying is? Now, bullying is an unwanted aggressive behavior which includes threats, revenge, rumors, which is physical or verbal. Now, there are different categories of bullying. Now, cyberbullying, your sexual bullying, your verbal, physical, or school bullying. Now, I just want to highlight some of the important ones. Cyberbullying. With the increasing availability of affordable data services on the social media platform, due to this advancement of technology, now, which includes people post your hurtful or humiliating rumors or comments about an individual, and also publishing a visual content which is an obscene nature, and also issuing an online death threats as well. There are others bullying as well, your sexual, school bullying, your verbal or physical, or the prejudicial bullying. Now we need to understand what are the reasons behind it. Now, one reason can be your revenge. Now, people try to take revenge, like when someone suffers from anything, what they generally tend to do is they actually try to dominate or try to make that other person put down. And also the other reason can be your dealing with depression, when they cannot solve their problems in their lives, what they are, when other people, for example, if an individual, they are so frustrated, that the person is so frustrated and the problems in his or her life is so such that they just want to tackle with that, what they usually do is they try to bully others and make them feel down also. And giving too much authority can be also the reason for bullying. Now, what are the different laws in India which governs that under your Indian Penal Code? I would like to discuss some of them under section 323, 324 and 325, and also the other provisions of your Indian Penal Code, which states that a person can be held punishable if voluntary causing hurt or by through your dangerous weapon. And also some of the important provisions is your section 307, 306 and 305, which talks about your abetment to suicide, attempt to murder, and punishable for the culpable homicide not amounting to murder. And also the recent amendment in your Medical Healthcare Act under section 115 subsection 1, which talks about if a person who commits suicide shall be presumed that if that person due to the severe stress commits suicide, will not be held punishable under your Indian Penal Code. And also the appropriate government shall have a duty to provide the care, treatment and rehabilitation to a person suffering from severe stress. Now, what are the remedies and how we can prevent your different categories of bullying? Since the cyberbullying and school bullying are increasing day by day, so the UGC guidelines says that a committee shall be formed who specifically going to deal with the cases of your ragging and bullying, and the committee shall consist of your teacher, legal representative, your peer educator. So any student who found ragging or bullying will be given a written notice and also a warning, and shall also be held liable for certain period of suspension from the school or college. And also a notice shall be put on the board for warning the students that a strict action will be taken against the student who are involved under this. Now also we can prevent it while through children's monitoring the children's activity on social media platform. What we can do is, if as children are growing up with the technology at their fingerprints, so, and since the teenagers and adolescents are they are not so aware that what it leads to, and what cyberbullying is, and what will be the consequences about that, and they don't know what is right and wrong. So it is the duty of the parents. It is actually their responsibility to check their activities on their online activities. And also watch out, there's if some of the signs are like, if someone is in depression, what usually they do is they try to display of emotional responses on your social media platform. They try to increase, there is certain change in the increase or decrease in your usage of your mobile or your social media platform. And what they also generally do is they deactivate their accounts on social media. So, and these can be, if a parent's responsibility is to check on that what the children is doing on social media, and what are the things they are doing. There should be a check on that. And also they should maintain a record. Like if you maintain a record, so while filing a complaint or any of the lodging of the FIR in the police station, it will help you of the activities. You can you can maintain that record through taking the screenshot or taking the URL, or you can copy that URL, or and also the screen recorder as well. And you can also report it. Like most of the social media have a clear guidelines in place to report a cyberbullying, and also helps to remove the offensive post. And you can also report it through sending your complaint in to mwcd@gov.in, or register a complaint in your nearby police station also, as there is a need of separate laws and legal remedies in order to prevent all this. Because due to the increasing different categories of bullying and advancement of technology, there is a need of strict action and a strict laws in order to govern it.